Hi friends, in this tutorial I will teach you how you can fix and troubleshoot an error in Windows Store which says Windows Store cache may be damaged which is not fixed. Before proceeding, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how to videos. Now let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. The very first step that you need to do is to open your settings menu. In settings menu, click on update and security. In update and security, choose troubleshoot. In troubleshoot menu, click on additional troubleshooters. In additional troubleshooters, you will find a troubleshooter named Windows Store app. Click on it and click on run the troubleshooter. Click on the next button to continue running the troubleshooter to find the problem. Once the troubleshooter is completed, click on the close button and restart your computer and check whether the problem is resolved or not. If the problem is still persist, we'll go ahead and proceed to the step number 2. In second step, we are going to reset your Windows Store cache. So for that, simultaneously press Windows and R key to open the run command. And in run command, you need to type here wsreset.exe. Whatever command I'll use over here, I'll provide you in the description below so that you can easily copy them from the description. Once you enter this command, hit the enter button. It will take few seconds. Like over here, my internet connection is not working, that's why it is showing this command. So at your end, it will take few seconds. And once that CMD window is closed, your Microsoft Store will start automatically and check whether the store is opening or not. Your problem till now must be resolved. If not, we are going to proceed with step number 3. In third step, again simultaneously press Windows and R key to open the run command. You need to type here a path, which is this one. I'll provide this path also in the description below so that you can copy and paste over here, and now hit the enter button. Once you find this path, you will find a folder named cache. Rename this folder as cache.old and hit the enter button. Now again right click over here and click on new folder and give it a name cache. Hit the enter button. Now close the folder and again open settings menu, update and security, troubleshoot, additional troubleshooters. In additional troubleshooters, again run Windows Store app troubleshooter, and once the troubleshooter is completed, kindly restart your PC and check whether the problem at your end is resolved or not. These are the 3 basic steps that you need to perform in order to resolve the issue. If still the problem persists, the last option that we have is to make a complete repair of your PC. In order to completely reset your PC, you need to go to the settings menu. In settings menu, click on update and security. In update and security, you will find the option name as recovery. Click on it and click on reset PC get started button. Now click on the keep your files, keep my files, so that this program will only reset your PC and it won't delete any files or programs of your computer. Right now my computer is on battery mode, that's why it is showing that they cannot reset my PC, but at your end it will start the process and it will take around 30 minutes to reset your computer. These are the 4 basic steps that you need to perform in order to resolve the issue. If still the problem persists, kindly comment below and I'll provide you more ways to resolve this particular error. So that's it about it friends. If you like my tutorial, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how to videos. Don't forget to share my channel with your friends also. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.